Luna. Looney. It's focusing on tracking. It is New Year and it's raining. Just a few minutes back. It's calm. We're on one of the oldest Aravali hills, Ratnagiri Parvat. This is epic. It is cold, very very cold. See, we are having long sleeves. That is Savitri Hill. That's my favorite. I used to go there twice a day in a row for the entire month. The 20 days to be honest. Yeah, the sun is shining, but yeah, it's cloudy today. It feels good. The stone, see? That stone is like, wow. The balancing of the stones, it feels good. Very less pollution. The AQI right now here is like 48. Oh my god, we see a mountain lizard there and Luna is aggressive. Okay. Luna, no. God, because like stone lizard, na rock lizard, it is called what is called khadgoi in Hindi. Fuck, it is very big. Sorry about the bad word. And yeah, this is epic. This is beautiful. See, it's risky, but not for me, because yeah, I believe if we did good karma, then nobody will harm us. I try, and she's focusing now. Look at her, Luna. Hi, baby. Some of my friends are like, some of my girlfriends are like this. Why are you calling her by this pronoun? I don't know. I like her. She take care of me. Feels like that. I didn't brush abhi tak. And we are on a morning walk. I'm having little cold also. She's focusing on that khadgoi, huh? She's very, very, very sweet. Dobermans are very loving. They always take care of you. Very loyal, to be honest. After so many like days and months, I'm talking raw. Otherwise, I was not talking on the platform. Yeah, it feels better actually. Thank you so much for 1000k at least. Thank you very, very much. And our target is, we can say, like next month, like my birthday in October, it should be 10k. It can be. It is if I do this vlogging daily. I can. Today is 1. Okay, let's do it daily. Because daily I go for morning walk. And daily I eat something good. Recently I tried spearmint tea. It is mint only, but it is very mild in taste and it reduces our androgen hormones, that is like reducing testosterone hormones in females if some females are having facial hairs or irregular periods or something. But yeah, I tried it and good news is it does not have any caffeine in it. And see, nobody's there to make me a script for me. I'm just talking raw, okay? And I like it. Yeah, it is a little bit expensive, very, to be honest. But okay, let's try it and I will give you the feedback if it it works for me. And the good news is, as I mentioned, it has no caffeine. So we can consume it any hour of the day. At night, before bed, after dinner. But we always have to take care of the time. Like, never consume any herbal tea or any coffee, like near to your meals. Like 1 hour near to your meals at least, because it will disturb the absorption of nutrients and micronutrients and iron and many things. So, but yeah, this is nice. She's forcing me to come there. Sometimes it feels like she's making me go. Yeah, I like this red color sometimes. And I wear monotonous clothing mostly, like fixed for everything. And recently, like in the monsoon season, I mentioned, there are my earlier videos. This is how my shoes looking like. Earlier videos we know the basil seeds, no basil actually, मतलब holy basil जैसा, that is tulsi, but we are having something. I'm sorry, it is what is it is called? Okay, yeah, bapji, and it is like the same species of tulsi, holy basil, and it repels mosquitoes. And I found that in this canal, this stream of water in monsoons. This is amazing, no? In monsoons we have a problem of mosquitoes, and in forest area like this where I live, she looks like this. See, she is the cutie pie. I love her. I really do. You know, yesterday I got calls from like invites from two people for like bunch of people, I mean, for the partying and all at some resorts, like my cousins and all. But yeah, I said no because I want to spend time with her because she don't like firecrackers. And usko kaun udhayega kambal? We need to cover her up. She's amazing. She's the cutest person in the universe. She's very very caring. Very 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 caring. लाइक वो मुझे सुबह उठाती नहीं है जब तक मैं ना हिलूँ, जब तक मैं थोड़ा सा हिंट ना दूँ. एंड शी जस्ट वेक अप एंड टच माई हैंड्स एंड शी इज़ सो गुड, सो गुड. आई एम टेलिंग यू, बिल्कुल नहीं परेशान करती है, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. लाइक इफ़ यू वांट्स टू वॉमिट शी गिव्स मी हिंट एंड शी never do anything bad. Seriously, she's better than humans, I can say. She don't talk, but she's so loving and so loyal and so much warmth. She's nice. She's a Doberman. She is approx 3 years old, near to 3. Yeah, she's not having any babies yet. She's not ready actually, I think so. She's a kid. She loves her food, not other dogs actually. Yeah. You know, like her periods, if we're talking about her periods go for like 21 days, entire 21 days, but once in 6 months. It's a frequency. Those times male dogs attract to her. But yeah, we have to take care of her, obviously. Yeah, this is nice, no? There are many peacocks, but because of her, they just hide. And yeah, this is the beauty. Happy New Year to all of you. Happy New Year. Thank you for listening.